Hey everyone, today I'm going to share a super useful guide on how to use Xiaohongshu without sharing your real phone number. If you're someone who values privacy, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First off, what is Xiaohongshu, also known as Red Note or Little Red Book? It's a Chinese social media and lifestyle platform that blends short videos, e-commerce, and community reviews. With over 300 million monthly active users, it's a go-to for product recommendations, travel tips, and cultural exchanges. Plus, with the potential TikTok ban, many US users have turned to Xiaohongshu, making it one of the most downloaded apps in the country. Pretty cool, right? But here's the kicker. Creating a Xiaohongshu account requires phone number verification. Sharing your real number can expose you to spam calls, data breaches, and privacy tracking by third-party platforms. Not ideal if you ask me. So how do you get around this? The answer is simple. Use a temporary phone number. Here's how you can do it step by step. Step 1. Choose a temp number service. Opt for a trusted provider like MobileSMS.io. They offer real SIM card-based phone numbers for reliable verification. Step 2. Select your country and platform. Log into your MobileSMS.io account, pick your desired country, USA, UK, China, you name it, and choose Xiaohongshu from the platform list. Step 3. Complete SMS verification. Once you receive your temporary number, enter it during Xiaohongshu's registration. Wait for the verification code in your MobileSMS.io dashboard. Input the code and boom, you're all set. Now why is MobileSMS.io perfect for Xiaohongshu users? Here are some key benefits. Privacy protection. Keep your personal number secure and reduce spam. Real SIM card numbers. Guaranteed compatibility with Xiaohongshu's verification process. Global access numbers from 100+ countries to unlock region-specific features. Flexible plans. Options for one-time use or long-term rentals based on your needs. Convenient integration. Receive codes via the MobileSMS.io dashboard or through Slack Discord notifications. Can I use MobileSMS.io for Xiaohongshu account verification? Yes, it provides real SIM card numbers that work seamlessly with Xiaohongshu. Why should I avoid using my personal number for Xiaohongshu? Your personal number risks exposure to spam, tracking, and data breaches. How long does it take to receive a verification code? Codes typically appear in your dashboard within seconds of Xiaohongshu sending them. What countries are supported for Xiaohongshu verification? MobileSMS.io supports numbers from over 100 countries, including the US, UK, and China. Is MobileSMS.io secure? Yes, it prioritizes user privacy and security by offering real SIM-based numbers. Ready to use Xiaohongshu anonymously? Protect your privacy and explore Xiaohongshu confidently. Visit MobileSMS.io today to get a reliable, real SIM card-based temporary phone number for seamless Xiaohongshu account setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more privacy tips. Catch you in the next video.